Greetings to all, welcome back to Techi-Mechi. Today I have a very special tutorial to show you how you can change your Wi-Fi password of your router from your Android or Windows device. If you want a tutorial for Chrome OS, iOS or iPad OS, please let me know in the comments below. So, if you want to change your Wi-Fi password due to security reasons, or you want to connect to a new device but don't remember the password, this video is for you. So, let's get started. I'll show you through an Android device first, but if you want to see how you can do on your Windows PC, then just skip to the chapter I've marked in. So, on your Android device, turn on Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi network of your router. Then you need to open the Wi-Fi in the settings. I'll open it by details on my tablet. You will find an icon which looks like settings. You need to tap on it and tap on manage router. Then open it with any of your browsers. I'll open it from Microsoft Edge. This will redirect you to your portal which will allow you to manage your router settings. Something like your connection isn't private will be on your screen. You need to click on advanced and continue to your URL. For username and password for this login, you'll find it behind your router. It will be like a sticker. For me, the username is admin and the password is password. You need to type in your username and password and login. And go to setup. The interface looks somewhat like this. You need to go to setup. And under setup, you need to go to WLAN. WLAN stands for wireless LAN. There you need to go to security and pre-shared key, which you can see here. Pre-shared key is your Wi-Fi password. From here you can change it. For example, I'll make Techi-Mechi now. So after changing the Wi-Fi password, you need to click on apply changes. And after you click on apply changes, in matter of seconds, the Wi-Fi password will change. See, the Wi-Fi has been disconnected from my tablet now. So to reconnect it again, I'll wait till the countdown's over. We need to go to Wi-Fi and connect on this network. It will ask us to re-enter the password and it should show unchanged in brackets written in red, somewhat like this. Then we need to enter a new changed password. I've made it Techi-Mechi, so I'll enter it and click on connect. This is it. You have changed your Wi-Fi password from your Android device. Now I'll show you how you can do it from your Windows device. So go to your device and connect to the Wi-Fi network of your router. As you have connected to the network, you need to press Windows R on your device and type CMD in the run window. There you need to type ipconfig, ipconfig. In your default gateway, you'll get a particular IP address that will be starting with 192. You need to paste that on your browser. This will show that your connection isn't private. You need to click on advanced and on that URL, here you have your router login menu. For the login details, user ID, name and password, you'll find it behind your router. You need to click on setup on this page and WLAN, that stands for wireless LAN, security, and here the pre-shared key is none other than your Wi-Fi password. You can change it from this menu. I'll change the Wi-Fi password to Techi-Mechi and you need to click on apply changes. So in matter of seconds, this will change your Wi-Fi password. I will wait for the countdown to end to connect Wi-Fi on this device. You need to click on the Wi-Fi net button on any of the Windows operating systems you're using. Yeah, so you'll get disconnected from the Wi-Fi automatically. So on your Wi-Fi network, you need to right click and click on forget as it is on Windows operating system, or it will show you that can't connect to this network. Then enter your password and click connect. So this is how you have successfully changed the Wi-Fi password of your router from your Windows device. Let me know if you want such tutorial for iOS or Chrome OS devices. So that is it for today. Subscribe to Techi-Mechi for more such video tutorials.